Got a Mac Mini M4? Then you know 5 ports isn't enough for a real workstation. You need more ports, more storage, and a cleaner setup. The Acasis Mac Mini M4 workstation solves all of these. It's an 18-1 dock that your Mac Mini sits inside of. Heading ports, display ports outputs, and up to 8 TB of blazing fast storage, all while making your desk look cleaner. In the box, the aluminum dock, USB-C cable, 30-watt power adapter, installation tools, thermal pads, and manual. Here's the genius part: your Mac Mini doesn't sit on the top. It sits inside the dock. The dock acts as an elevated stand while expanding everything. And see this hollow structure on the top? It perfectly aligns with your Mac Mini's Wi-Fi antenna at the bottom, so you don't lose signal strength. The space gray aluminum matches the Mac Mini perfectly. It's 136 by 170 by 87 millimeters, weighs just under 2 pounds and looks like one integrated Apple product. The build quality is premium, solid aluminum with great machining and ventilation throughout. Let's talk ports. On the front you get fast SD and micro SD card readers plus 3 USB-A ports at 10 gigabits, perfect for quick access. On the back, USB-C to connect your Mac Mini, 2 display ports, outputs supporting 4K at 144 Hz and a 30 watts power delivery port. With the Mac Mini HDMI plus these 2 display ports, you can run 3 external displays. That's huge for productivity. Now for storage. The dock has an internal M.2 slot for NVMe SSD up to 8 TB. Installation is simple. 4 screws off the bottom, apply the thermal pads, slide in your SSD at angle, secure it with 1 rubber piece, and you are done. Takes maybe 2 minutes. Put the panel back on, install your Mac Mini into the dock, and boom, you got massive fast storage integrated into your setup. Performance is where this really shines. I run Blackmagic this speed test comparing the Mac Mini internal SSD to the external drive in the Acasis dock. Internal SSD 2732 megabytes write and 2964 megabytes read. Acasis dock 3232 megabytes write and 2854 megabytes read. The external drive is actually faster on writes than the internal SSD. That's insane for an external solution. The real world test, 50 gigabytes of 4K video transferred in under 20 seconds. You can edit directly off the storage with zero slowdown. The card readers, it's close to their 312 megabytes max speed, and after an hour of heavy use, thermal stays totally fine, everything just works. Whether you're editing 4K video, managing huge photo libraries, running development environments, producing music with sample libraries, streaming with multiple displays, or just want a clean home office setup, this dock handles it all. The fast storage means you actually work off it, not just archive. The multiple displays let you spread out your workflow. The front ports keep everything accessible, and it all connects to your Mac Mini with just one cable. It's the kind of setup that just gets out of your way and lets you work. Pros and cons. Pros. Mac Mini integrates perfectly inside. Looks like one device. External storage beats internal SSD on write speeds. 2 DisplayPort 1.3 outputs for multi-monitor setups. Wi-Fi friendly design that doesn't block signal. Fast card readers and front USB ports. Premium aluminum build quality. One cable to your Mac Mini for everything. Great thermals. Cons: $169 price tag. Solid state drive not included, you need to buy your own. DisplayPort only, you need adapters for HDMI monitors. And no Ethernet port on the dock. So, is the Acasis Mac Mini M4 workstation worth $169? For what you get: a premium stand, 8 ports, dual display outputs and storage that's actually faster than your internal drive? I think that's the questions you need to ask yourself. This dock transforms the Mac Mini from a compact computer into a legitimate workstation. If you're serious about your setup and want something that performs incredibly well while looking clean and professional, this is hard to beat. It's one of the smartest Mac Mini accessories I've tested, simple as that. If this helped, hit a like and subscribe. Link to the Acasis dock is below. Let me know your Mac Mini setup in the comments.